is Solana set to a massive crash? Is it going to come back here? Where it's coming from, really? We're going to cover everything today. In today's update, we're going to cover really the waves, the targets, above, below, everything. Really the next move and the next possible move, really. So you can absolutely crush a chart. Anyway, on this being said, in the last update, what we have planned here was really simple. It was with this wave 1, 2. Gonna increase a bit of quality here so we can see a bit better. So this wave right here, if this can load, that will be cool right there. So this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we was looking for this rise here for the wave 5. So we was looking for a bounce between $53 down to $46. Okay, so it was around, if I'm mistaken, around there. Yeah, 53. Okay, down to 46. So this is where we're gonna bounce. Okay, we bounced it from here and got this nice wave 5 with a really bigger move to the upside. So now I'm going to chat a bit of configuration. You know, was looking for this wave 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, it's possible we'll have done something really big in the wave 5, but personally I'm gonna take this like that. Okay, I'm gonna take the case that we'll have done the wave 3, the red wave 3 a bit later. We'll have done the wave 4 here, and this was a bit the red wave 5, and then we'll have done the pink wave 3, 4, wave 5. Yellow, by the way. What the fuck. Anyway, so now as we have done this waves right here, these yellow waves. Okay, now what we can look for, we can simply look for the bigger wave for retracement. Okay, we'll have this wave 1, 2 right here. We'll have planned. I don't know if you can see this in the previous update. Maybe around there. Yeah, you can see here. If I can load, that will be cool. You can see here I was looking for the wave here right here. So I was looking, you know, for this last wave 5 here. Okay, so yellow wave 5 that will finish the wave 3 top. Okay, all the white waves. Then we will be in the wave 4 and then the wave 5. So what we have to take here is simply the wave 3 top here. We look for the wave 4 retracement. As always, how do you find the wave 4 retracement? You place the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, and you just have to add these targets: 2316, MCFib, 3132, and the 38.2. Okay, so you just have to do this really. You pull it from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root. You add the wave 4 targets: 2316, MCFib, so 3132, and the 38.2. This is exactly where we for the moment got a bounce. I would add here the 50%. Okay, simply because we have done a really big push to the upside, and when this happens, you can absolutely get something that's gonna go a bit more down. Okay, it's absolutely possible to do something like this. So just be aware of this. Okay. This will be the 30 as a bison, where we should normally get another bounce and get another rise for this wave 5. What you can do next, if you want to find a wave 5 targets, you just have to take your extension tool. I'm gonna go on the daily time frame, place it from the wave 1 root, okay, to the wave 1 top, and the last click will go on the wave 4 bottom. From here, you're going to add the wave 5 targets. For example, if we have done the bottom here, we're going to add it on the low we have done right now. Okay, if we make one more new low, for example, we go there and then we bounce, you take the third click, you place it on the wave 4, sorry, bottom here. Okay, for now we got a bounce from here. We'll see later if we go more down or not. This is a buy zone. In any case, we shall bounce from here. If we don't, then we're going to cover I'm going to make an update to update everything. But anyway, for now, the bottom is here. So first target 618, then we'll have the 120 extension. Okay, these two targets bring us with a truncated wave 5, so to speak. Here, wave 5 are gonna stop before the wave 3 top, so this is less probable, and we do not really bet on this. So we can remove these levels. Okay, the 120 extension, the 618, and keep the next ones here. As always, the 161 here, sorry, is never well touched, so it's possible to go a bit above here, spend some time, for example, just swing or just swing fully pound, for example, the top, and retrace directly. Okay, if we don't get anything here, we can look for the 261. So these are the two targets for the moment if the wave 4 bottom is in already. If we do something a bit bigger, we go, for example, and touch the 38.2 here, we are going to go a bit more down, so we're going to lower this extension to, if we go to the 50%, it's going to lower everything. So to speak, if the wave 4 go here, it's going to lower all the targets, and so here we'll more likely need the smaller wave 1, 2, 3, 4 to determine the wave 5 targets into the bigger wave 5 target here. Okay, we need the small wave into the white wave 5. Okay, hope that makes sense. So yeah, this is how you can find a wave 5 targets. Next, of course, you can use also the levels. So the levels, I don't know if I have updated this on my chart, by the way. Oh yeah, this is for the wave 5, the wave 4 target, by the way. If we have to go more down, first of all, of course, you can look for a swing fully powered low. Okay, there is nothing here. You can look for these 3 targets below us. Okay, these are the 3 green squares you can see here. These are the targets really in case we have to go more down. Keep in mind that we already bounced it into the targets we was looking for. I mean, you had to add on your chart really what was playing in the last update. I show you everything how to set this up really on your chart. So you just have to do this, and you will normally have been able to take a long really on this. Now, in case we'll have to go more down, be aware of that. We have a bigger wick normally on Bybit, as you can see here. Okay, on Bybit here, you can see that the wick is going to the 38.2 already. That is not the case on the Binance price. You can see the wick is a lot less bigger. We do not reach the 38.2 here. So for example, here on Binance, I think I said Coinbase before, not the first one, but before that. So it's Binance, not Coinbase, by the way. But anyway, so from here we can just, for example, swing Philip on the Binance wick and not go that low on Bybit, for example. Okay, but it's in case we have to go lower and do not swing Philip on this bottom, we can look for the 50%, the 3 targets really. Okay, but the first one is the 50% of the way through. Anyway, this level also was playing last update. We'll have played a big resistance around there. We just went through and get a continuation to take this high and go into the monthly here. But anyway, these are the levels really above. Below and above here you have to be aware of. Above we have a weekly level, we have then the top right here with a possible swing Philip pan with a weekly, and we'll have then this nice possible top 2 with a possible swing Philip pan. If there is nothing in here, we can look for this top right here, but otherwise more likely for this bigger zone above around $200 by the way. So yeah, this is a plan really on this asset. These are all the targets you have to be aware of. The bigger target, really the biggest ones, and these are the possible waves really. So the next possible move, I shared with you how to find a wave 5 targets, 2 different waves by 2 different ways, by placing the wave 5 target, the white wave 5 targets. Otherwise you can just use the smaller wave. Okay, for example, you can use here, you could use, for example, in this wave 5 the wave 1, 2, 3 or 5 extension, or here you could use a smaller wave 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 also to find the wave 5 targets in the possible top. Okay, there are 2 different ways how you can do it. And on this being said, I hope you all enjoyed. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Thank you so much, as always, if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, by the way, happy new year. If you are not watching me every day, because I'm live every day to update really Bitcoin, to give you my trade setups, to give you everything really, such as for example this is what we planned yesterday, really this nice possible short seller. Was looking for a possible long here too, but as always, it's trading, there are some trades based off the reaction. So this is an order flow. This is where you can see the reaction, really what's happening behind the market, and you can make decisions just by reading this. And we've got absolutely no reason to take a long here, but we've got a reason to take a short here. That's pretty cool. So we're planning no possible short, long, but no reason to long next, so massive drop. In any case, that was planned. If I had to come down, we look for this bigger ABC flat. So don't forget to go and check this out really if you want to get some plans to really, I'm really updating this every day except the weekend. So if you want to get to stay updated really on Bitcoin, really go and check this update. In my opinion, it can be useful. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, happy new year. As I said, wish you all really all the best, success, health, because this is important. Success in your project and everything really in your life in general. And yeah, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.